Hello everyone, once again welcome to Amaziology, where curiosity meets the universe and every fact tells an incredible story. Right now you are sitting on a planet spinning at roughly 1000 miles per hour near the equator, and you probably don't feel a thing. But imagine this, Earth suddenly stops spinning. Not tomorrow, not in a million's year. Right now, what happens to the oceans? What happens to the atmosphere? And what happened to you? The answer is far more extreme than simply watching the sun stop moving across the sky. So let's find out what would happen if Earth suddenly stopped rotating. We don't feel Earth spinning. Before we imagine Earth stopping, there's something important we need to understand. Why don't we feel Earth's rotation? Because everything around us is moving with Earth. You, your house, the air, the oceans, even the airplane flying above you. We are all part of the same rotation system. Earth completes one rotation in about 24 hours, and the equator, the surface is moving at roughly 1000 miles per hour. That's faster than most commercial aircraft. Yet, when you sit in your room, everything feels completely still. That's because constant motion doesn't feel strange when you are moving together with everything around you. NASA explains the Earth rotates once but every 24 hours, and that the equatorial surface moves at roughly 1000 mph. The moment Earth stops. Now imagine something impossible happens. Earth's solid surface suddenly stops rotating. But here's the problem. The atmosphere and everything that is firmly attached to the ground still has momentum. They would continue moving eastward. And that means the air around the planet would become incredibly violent. Oceans would surge. Massive waves could sweep across coastline. The ground itself would experience enormous stresses. This would not be a gentle stop. It would be more like slamming the brakes on a plant-sized spinning vehicle. A Smithsonian explanation notes that a sudden stop would cause the atmosphere, ocean, and surface material to continue moving because of momentum, producing extreme winds, earthquakes, and tsunamis. And now comes one of the most terrifying parts. The atmosphere doesn't instantly stop with the ground. Imagine you are inside a car moving at highway speed. If the car suddenly stops, your body keeps moving forward. Earth would create a similar effect, but on a planetary scale. The atmosphere would raise relative to the surface. Winds would become incredibly powerful. Dust, debris, and water could be carried across enormous distance. The planet's weather system would be completely transformed, and this is not science fiction. It's the consequences of something called inertia. Now think about Earth's oceans. They are already moving with a rotating planet. If the ground suddenly stopped while the water retained its motion, the ocean wouldn't politely stop. Water would continue moving. Coastal areas could experience catastrophic flooding and enormous waves, and the consequences would not be limited to one country. The entire global ocean system would be affected, from the Pacific to the Atlantic, from North America to Asia, Earth's geography would be transformed. But what happens to sunrise and sunset? This is where the scenario becomes really strange. Earth's rotation is what gives us the moral cycle of day and night. If Earth stopped rotating but continued orbiting the Sun, the familiar 24 hours day would disappear. Different parts of the planet would experience extremely long periods of daylight and darkness. Imagine the Sun appearing to remain in almost the same part of the sky for an extraordinarily long time. A normal Tuesday morning would no longer exist. Neither would a normal Tuesday night. NASA explains the Earth's rotation products the 24-hour day. Would we fly into space? Here's a common misconception. Would everything simply fly into space? Surprisingly, no. Earth's gravity would still exist. Even at the equator, Earth's rotational speed is not enough to overcome gravity and launch us into space. But that doesn't mean we would be safe. The sudden change in motion would be the real disaster. The atmosphere, ocean, and surface environment would be experiencing enormous changes. NASA's Cosmicopia explains that even at the equator, stopping Earth's rotation would not make people escape Earth's gravity. And over a much longer period, something else would happen. Earth's rotation affects the planet's shape. Earth is not a perfect sphere. Its rotation creates a slight bulge around the equator. Remove that rotation and Earth's shape would gradually adjust. Ocean and atmosphere would also redistribute differently. The planet we know today would slowly become a very different world. NASA notes that Earth's rotation contributes to its equatorial bulge and that Earth's axis and rotation are not perfectly fixed. But here's something fascinating. Earth's rotation is not actually constant. It changes very silently. NASA-funded research has shown that movement of ice, groundwater and ocean water can affect Earth's rotation and the length of a day. The changes are tiny, measured in milliseconds. So Earth is not a perfectly synchronized spinning ball. It's a dynamic planet, constantly changes beneath our feet. Thankfully, there's no realistic mechanism that could suddenly bring Earth's rotation to a complete stop. So you don't need to worry about Earth hitting the brakes tomorrow. NASA reports that changes in ice, groundwater, and sea levels can silently alter Earth's rotation and the length of the day. So, what would happen if Earth suddenly stopped spinning? The answer is not simply that we would have longer days. The immediate consequences would involve momentum, extreme winds, massive ocean movement, and a completely transformed environment. And that's what makes Earth so incredible. Something as ordinary as the sunrise depends on the planet that's been spinning for billions of years. The universe is full of mysterious, and sometimes the most fascinating one is the world beneath our feet. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe to Amaziology for more incredible stories about Earth, space, and the universe. Until next time, stay curious.